Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS. We click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FBS and you will click. In that window here you will find app info. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.